here to scratch your itch of curiosity. Welcome to Ask Us Anything
Zoom.
I'm MC Yoonji Kang. We're back with the Queen of Atomy's love, Crown Master Jung-mi Kim, and a successful individual who is happy every day, Royal Master Jae Young-seo. And they're here to answer your questions today. How do you feel about joining us for the second time, Royal Master Jae Young-seo?
Well, I was a little nervous the first time.
I see.
Since this is my second time, I'll try to scratch that itch of curiosity to the fullest.
Please do share your wisdom with us. What about you, Crown Master Jung-mi Kim?
It's my hope that my experiences can be of great help to those seeking guidance. I'm excited for today.
I'm excited as well. Ask Us Anything
Zoom.
Here's the first question. I work as a part-time contractor for Atomy while also owning a hair salon. While I find it easy to promote Atomy to my salon clients, it's more challenging to make connections on the road. I have a customer base, but I find it difficult to recruit new members. Is making connections outside essential? This is the first question. What should you do in this situation? Crown Master Jung-mi Kim, would you like to answer first?
Under my supervision, I have at least 7 salon owners.
7 of them?
I may have missed a few. I have witnessed those salon owners thrive in Atomy and achieve great success. And I have also supervised partners. You may eventually realize that opening a hair salon was beneficial for your Atomy business and feel thankful for it. The questioner seemed concerned about not being able to make new connections outside their current circle. In my opinion, hair salons are the best places to attract customers. Your customers are mainly repeat clients at your hair salon. It means that they already have a strong level of trust in you. If you introduce Atomy's projects to your loyal customers and encourage them to try them out, you could potentially receive referrals from them in the future. Those new customers referred to you may not have a high degree of trust in you initially. This is where leveraging your sponsor becomes important. Maximize the resources provided by your sponsor by playing videos showcasing Atomy's successful individuals, the chairman's speeches, or product introductions while tending to your customer's hair. Your sponsor can assist you with that. Can perms be done within an hour nowadays? No, they will take 2 to 3 hours by fostering a conversational atmosphere while your customer is occupied. You may be able to transform your part-time job into a lucrative full-time business in the future.
I completely agree with what Crown Master Jung-mi Kim said. Normally, the members have to travel in order to meet their customers.
Right.
But when you own a hair salon, your regular customers come to you.
Right.
It's a fantastic place for recruiting new members. So I highly recommend using your hair salon for your Atomy business. If you're unsure about how to recruit new members, seek assistance from your sponsor on a regular basis instead of trying to do it on your own. It's important to combine your skills with those of your sponsor to create a powerful synergy. One way of doing that is dedicating 1 day a week as Atomy Day, where you can either invite customers or those who need sponsorship or go visit them. Together with your sponsor, you can concentrate on recruiting new members on that day. I definitely recommend scheduling an Atomy Day, a day devoted to concentration.
We've received a lot of questions about part-time jobs today. Here's the next question. I'm a private instructor, and I work part-time for Atomy. I'm only available after 6 p.m. on weekdays and Saturday afternoons. I'm trying to figure out how to use my time more efficiently. Please give me a detailed response. That was the question.
She seems like an incredibly hardworking person. In my opinion, the key to success isn't just about the number of hours you put in, or whether it's a full-time or part-time job. Success is less about the time you invest and more about immersing yourself in Atomy and staying focused on it. Making the most of your time can be tough when you're working alone. When you find a partner to work with, you can feed off each other's energy, making it easier to stay productive and motivated, which can help you both grow and progress. The question is, where and when can you find someone to team up with for recruiting? Attending a gathering of private instructors can be a great way to build empathy and establish common ground. Given your familiarity with their pain points, collaborating with like-minded individuals in your Atomy business can be an efficient way to manage your time. Atomy provides seminars for part-timers to support part-timers in their business. By attending the seminars with teams once or twice a week, you can build a business together in a reasonable amount of time. Generating customers can be time-consuming, which is why working with others can be more efficient.
Atomy's system can be highly beneficial for part-timers.
Right.
Given their limited availability, part-timers can benefit from using the system to improve their efficiency instead of working alone. The important question now is, where should you focus your time? If I had to choose one thing to prioritize, it would be the Success Academy. Many of my partners started out as part-timers as well. I always encourage my partners to attend the Success Academy, even if they have limited time, as the Success Academy is the most effective system for expanding your organization. Also, I believe that the centers and headquarters offer programs specifically designed for part-timers. Instead of participating in those programs alone, you can invite your partners and work together to foster teamwork. If you use this system right, you can achieve big results with only a small investment of time. I know it can be challenging to maintain focus when you're using your spare time to work on Atomy. That's why I recommend setting aside one day a week as your dedicated Atomy day to help you stay fully focused on Atomy. You can use that time to recruit new members.
For the next question, the questionnaire will ask it herself. Hello? Hello, my name is Sang-Hwa Hong, and I'm a sales master. The vision of Atomy resonated with me, so I joined Atomy as a part-timer. I'm thinking about becoming a full-timer. What are some things to keep in mind when making this transition? Are there any tips for adapting to full-time work quickly?
It's a good idea to plan your living and business expenses carefully to avoid any disruptions in these areas. When you have financial issues, you can easily feel anxious, which can cause you to rush, leading to feelings of impatience, especially when it comes to sponsorships and similar matters.
I see.
I highly recommend that you plan your living expenses and business finances carefully so you can concentrate exclusively on your Atomy business. If you decide to go full-time with your Atomy business, make a commitment to becoming an auto sales master in 3 to 6 months. And put in the effort to make it happen. Because you're going to need to address the expenses involved in doing business. Also, it's important to show partners that it's possible to make money through Atomy and share the vision with them. I encourage you to lay the groundwork and establish your network quickly so that you can become an auto sales master in 3 to 6 months.
Making the transition from part-time to full-time work demands careful attention and planning. When you are just doing it on the side, there isn't a lot of pressure. But when you do it full-time, you're going to need more than just passion and energy. You have to demonstrate your ability to generate income to be perceived as a legitimate entrepreneur. You should earn a stable monthly income of at least 2 million won to gain recognition in the eyes of others. Success requires more than just hoping for the best. It takes a great deal of drive and a sense of urgency to earn a stable income of 2 million won per month as a full-time Atomy member. Once you start earning 2 million won, it's a good indication that you have the ability to mentor and help your partners under your wing to earn the same amount, and those members can help you achieve the status of Diamond Master and Sharon Rose Master. You have to be more vigilant about time management compared to when you were a part-timer. Before, as a part-timer, you might have been able to spend an hour or two with each customer you met. However, as a full-timer, you shouldn't spend more than an hour with one customer. Additionally, once the product has been delivered to the customer, it's important to follow up with them and ensure that they have actually used it. Remember that delivering products alone won't bring you significant income. The key is serving your customers. If you put your heart into serving people you love and deliver the products with dedication, you'll be well on your way to becoming a sales master and earning 2 million won. That's what I did.
Coming up this April, we're introducing a new system called the Semi-Sales Master. Do you reckon they could benefit from that?
It's going to be of tremendous help.
I see.
I'm sure you work with a team of part-timers.
Right.
It is a lot easier to achieve 150 PV if you work together. Some teams are ahead of the game and have already implemented the system. I've already witnessed significant results that prove its effectiveness, and I'm confident that you can become an auto sales master in no time by utilizing the Semi-Sales Master system.
We're going to have to ensure that our new members are reaping the benefits of these new systems. Did that answer your question, Ms. Hong? Yes, it was a fantastic answer. I've realized that creating a comprehensive plan with the aim of becoming an auto sales master is essential. Another helpful tip was to take advantage of the upcoming semi-sales promotion available from April. Having the opportunity to participate in a direct Q&A session with these amazing leaders today has been truly visionary. Thank you, Ms. Hong.
Good luck.
We're rooting for you. Good luck.
Partner 1 led to Partner 2. Partner 1 is preparing to open an office in a prime location with heavy foot traffic. I'm eager to sponsor my partners, but the distance is a concern. How should I approach long-distance sponsorship? This was the question.
Sponsorship can take many forms, such as material, time-related, labor-related, and spiritual sponsorship. From my own experience, providing time-related support is the most necessary aspect of long-distance sponsorship. I live in Sujigu, Yongin. I once sponsored a partner who lived in Daegu. At first, my sponsorships would generally span either 1 night and 2 days, or 2 nights and 3 days. Then my number of partners grew to 3 and 4, and we also established an office. It became a bit challenging for me to do it alone, so I started taking turns with my partners and sponsors, and it eventually became a regular sponsorship. The organization grew gradually in size. Today, that partner has become a leader. As the organization expanded, my visits to Daegu became longer, lasting around 2 weeks each time. It's a good idea to rotate sponsorship duties with upper-line sponsors. The end goal is to empower your partners in other regions to become leaders, so they can effectively take on your role. If you're able to offer material sponsorship, consider sponsoring them for a defined time frame.
Cronmaster Jungmi Kim, do you have any insights on how to handle the situation?
I also know a royal master who lives in Daegu. She's a royal master now, but at the start she wasn't even a semi-sales master, let alone a sales master.
Was she an agent?
Yes, she was a beginner. She wanted to open an office, even though she was just an agent. Because my line didn't have an office in Daegu, she faced difficulties in obtaining sponsorships. She had not yet become a personal platform owner, but she was convinced that having an office would increase her chances of getting sponsorships. She believed that obtaining sponsorships would help her attract more members. She was determined to achieve success through this role, and she had set her sights on opening an office. I didn't talk her out of it because her desperation was so palpable. Once she had set up her office, sponsors and leaders from my network rallied behind her, providing her with opportunities to attend seminars and offering their support. As a result, she is now not only a member of the Royal Leaders Club, but she has also become a Royal Master. In addition, she paved the way for several Star Masters in Daegu to emerge. To help your partner become an auto sales master, it is essential to maintain close communication and work in perfect sync with them.
I'm looking to expand my customer base, but it seems like I've reached a plateau. I tried to stay focused by watching videos, but it doesn't seem to be effective. How do the leaders overcome their plateau? This was another question that we received. How they can break through this plateau.
You've hit a plateau in generating customers? Maybe you've become lazy. It sounds like an excuse to me. I think most of us got into Atomy at first because of our positive experience with Atomy's products. We were so impressed with Atomy's products that we felt compelled to share it with others and help them access high-quality products at an affordable price, which ultimately led us to pursue Atomy as a business opportunity. I consider customer generation to be a way of providing a service to others. You have to think of it as serving the people you love. As you continue to provide that service, you can steadily increase your PV. When you say, "I don't have any more connections," it's like you're saying that you're a novice. You may have exhausted your personal network, but there are plenty of potential Atomy consumers who have tried Atomy's products before. The potential to generate customers is virtually unlimited. You just have to be a little more diligent. Get out in the field. Meet your customers in person. Then they will appreciate you and you'll find hope in them. Go outside. The answer is in the field. Get out in the field.
You emphasized the importance of going out into the field and meeting customers instead of solely relying on videos. Royal Master Jae Young-seo, what's your take on this?
In the beginning, when faced with such questions, my response was to provide specific advice such as, say this to this customer and that to the other one. I used to give advice on sales skills, but no matter how much I coached them on these skills, it seemed like they weren't making any progress. I found out that it was because their passion had waned.
Oh.
So why did their passion wane? I think it's because their enthusiasm for the products is diminished. If you're only impressed with existing products and not interested in new ones, your enthusiasm can gradually decrease. There are a lot of exciting new products available. One of the new products that has blown my mind is the Reset Balm, which was recently launched. Also, Memory Up is really popular, and I seem to gain new customers whenever I bring it up. Demonstrating your passion for new products is key to acquiring new customers when meeting new people. Explain the features of a product and the effects it can deliver. That's what our chairman said. Many people tend to share and recommend products to others after they have personally experienced positive results. My suggestion to the questioner would be to develop an interest in the new products and cultivate enthusiasm for them. After that, analyze the needs of each of your existing customers and ensure that they experience the effect that caters to their needs. I definitely recommend this approach to the questioner.
Today, together with Crown Master Jungmi Kim and Royal Master Jae Young Seo, we provided responses to some of the inquiries we received. Do you have any final thoughts to share with our audience?
Compared to how much you trust the company, how much do you trust yourself? They say that our thoughts can shape our reality. I'm going to make it. I will succeed. By repeatedly telling yourself these, I am confident that you can achieve success.
There's always a solution to a problem, just like in life. I hope that our Ask Us Anything Zoom session helps you find quick solutions to your problems. If you have faith in the company, the system, and the sponsors, and are enthusiastic about Atomy, I have no doubt that you will see positive results. I wish you success.
Thank you for your insight. Ask Us Anything
Zoom.
What did you think, everyone? Were your questions answered? Ask Us Anything Zoom is eagerly waiting for your questions, so please don't hesitate to send in your questions. We can't wait to find out what questions we'll be answering in the next episode. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!
Bye!